Hi, I'm Kevin Stunzel, and I'm taking advantage of this rainy day by working on this video tour of our Northwoods home. I'll be showing you some of mine and my wife Cindy's trophy mounts of fish we have caught over the years. All of our fish mounts, except for one, are replicas and all have been done by myself. If you enjoy this video, please like and hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching. This is a 6 1/4 pound smallmouth caught by Cindy on the eastern end of Lake Erie. This is a 43-inch northern I caught on Lake of the Woods in Canada. Here's a 10-inch bluegill caught out of Lake Delavan, Wisconsin. This is a 10.74 ounce largemouth caught out of Lake Walk-In water in Central Florida. I know the exact weight of this one because Cindy and I caught it in a tournament where we won the tournament and also got big bass. Caught on a wacky rig Sinkel. This is a 9-pound 2-ounce bass Cindy caught out of the Winter Haven chain in Central Florida. It was her previous personal best. This is a 15-inch crappie Cindy caught a number of years ago on the St. Johns River in Florida. And this is my first 50-inch muskie. It's actually 51, caught out of Lake St. Clair. Beautiful spotted fish. And this is a 54-inch muskie caught out of Lake St. Clair also. We had a fantastic trip, Cindy and I. She caught a 52-inch, beautiful fish. And the following day, I caught a 54. We're running out of wall space, so instead of doing 2 replicas, this is a 54-inch fish, but with a paint job like the one Cindy caught because it was a prettier fish. And this is a 29-inch walleye caught by me out of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. It's not my biggest walleye, but this particular fish has special meaning to me. This is a 10-pound, 11-ounce largemouth caught by Cindy. A fantastic day of fishing on the stick marsh. She actually had 3 personal bests in one day. She had a 9.13, I believe, then her first 10-pound bass at 10 pounds, 9 ounces, and then caught this one 10 pounds, 11 ounces, same day. This is a smallmouth bass pedestal mount I did a number of years ago. It took a blue ribbon at the World Show. This is a nice pedestal mount. It's a 7-pound largemouth I caught out of Lake Monroe in Central Florida. This particular mount won me state champion in Wisconsin, as well as some other awards. And a couple deer heads I have on my wall. This buck is actually one that we raised from a fawn. It was accidentally killed by his father, a more dominant buck. So we decided to put him on the wall. This is a look down our stairs. We're displaying some of the pictures of our favorite catches over the years. And my 40-inch plaques from my days with Muskie zinc. And a few miscellaneous taxidermy awards I've won over the years. And some more of my taxidermy awards. Best Replica Fish, Illinois, Wisconsin, 2004, 2009, 2010, 2011, which was about the last year I competed. And a plaque from a tournament on Lake Geneva that Cindy and I won. And some more miscellaneous taxidermy awards. And a few more competition mounts. This is a 45-inch muskie I molded closed mouth. It was found by a friend of mine floating. Rather than it go to waste, he brought it to me to mold. I also molded my own hands as if I were releasing it in this mount, which started my interest in life casting, which is a whole nother story. Here's a peacock bass Cindy caught in southern Florida, along with a clown knifefish. This here is Cindy's first 50-inch muskie, caught out of Lake of the Woods, Ontario. And this is my first 10-pound bass, caught out of Lake Monroe, Central Florida. Another good day of fishing. Caught another one a few minutes before that was just shy of 10 pounds. And this is the only skin mount I have remaining